Hey guys, hope you can hear me. Welcome to another stream. Ane bro, not sure bro. I've never appeared for data science roles, bro. Probably you might want to check it out on Lead Code. How was the interviews? Um, Not sure. I know about data engineer and software engineers in both of these it is asked, but not really sure about the other one. Really sorry. Yeah, I am pro, bro. At 5K. Okay, okay, brother. Yes, so you can upload the file if the file is already there. And so new runtime or file exception through new runtime exception. Runtime exception. Bro, today's thumbnail is yeah. Yeah, bro, I'm growing the hair now. Going, so if you watch football, you can think of it anything Ramos, Messi, Maldini, uh, Torres, who all, who all. Mm-hmm. Beckham. I am a goalkeeper. Probably Buffon. I also had long hairs, right? Buffon with long hairs. Here, here, there is no word. Yeah, Buffon had long hair. I'm to be too, but major companies are not major companies. Partial, but mostly Amazon considers that. But is it this is something new that I have seen, bro. Lali Patak. This is like oops thing. That Babbuman also is one of the consideration. True, bro. Which college you are from, Emperor? Just read your message, Bilu Patak. Hello. Hey, Bilu Patak. So Sparsh Agarwal, bro, there are a lot of companies that will accept you. For example, Rippling will accept. Rippling will accept 2 years. Let me. Even Microsoft will accept for 60. It also depends on how much you earn, bro. It's not just your experience, right? If let's say you earn really well, then Amazon also will consider, right? If you are already above their bar. But let's say you are not even at a SD1 bar, then they will not consider. Hey, Emperor, I forgot your college. Okay. IIT, which IIT? G is for Guwahati. Guwahati, right? Yeah, I remember. Let me create a poll. How are you? You were in Bangalore, right? Yeah, I remember you were in Bangalore. So basic file server, file upload. Master CP, I don't think so, bro. I am not a master of CP. Uh, I'm not the master of CP, probably. So, K Khan, that is okay, bro. It's a non-circular branch, whichever branch you are in, right? So now you are already in that branch. What you can do? There are a lot of mechanical engineers who end up in computer science branch. Sorry, computer science roles, software engineer. Like so, file upload and public. But Emperor, bro, with 1 hour thing is that if you are learning anything, right? Let's say you are learning new concept or something like that, it will not happen in 1 hour. You'll have to at least give like continuous. It's not like that. Let's say if I'm learning today and I'll do it for 1 hour and then I'll pick it up from tomorrow from there. So the better thing is if you're learning a concept, probably give continuous 3 to 4 hours, solve couple of problems of that contest. That is why I don't do CP because I don't have continuous 3 4 hours. But with DSA you can do that. That is the so you have to put in more hours, right? Supreet, uh, no, bro. I Like, and Mang M stands for Meta FAI. M is equal to Meta FYY. But if you guys consider that, I think in India you consider, but it's a US terminology. It's not an Indian terminology. No, I'm not preparing for anything. I'm just doing fun, just having fun. Bro, Manoja D, you don't need to get 1800, right? I like it's if you have 1800, that is good. Don't think of that you need to get or do something. Keep applying also on the other side. But you're doing good only, right? Upsolve the third question now. Manoja, you are on the right track. Upsolve the third question, that's it. So, but don't like be what you say. Uh, don't be in a pressure to get any 1800. Don't think like that, right? It's just like sometimes what people ask me is that, okay, what is the right rating that you can? That's what I say. If you're 17, 1800 on lead code, that is good enough to start appearing. Yeah, so that is like a very hard question, third question. I have to do some other work, so that's why I'm not able to participate in contests. Uh, no, no, bro, there's a huge difference, Manoj. So CF, uh, probably I would say 1500 is equivalent to uh, lead code like 1900, maybe, maybe, right? That's a rough, but 4 and 500 minus here and there. You can say CF expert is equal to lead code guardian. That is a good thing. The CF expert can be lead code guardian. That is a right matrix. Yeah, 1600, and then you need 2200 on lead code because lead code is probably like you just need to do DSA and all. Even if your math is okay, you can do. But in code forces, I think you need to have a good math. You can't bypass that because you'll be stuck with A or B only. Sometimes A and B is just like a probability question. So it's not meant for uh, interview prep by any means. I don't think so. Code forces is meant for interview prep. But let's say if you are like really good in code forces, then interview prep is like a piece cake for you. You don't really need to prepare for it. So that's the thing. If you are good in code forces, then interview you'll crack like with a half eye closed. Maybe give interview with one eye open. Just saying, but yeah, that's why I have a huge respect for people who are really good at code forces. That shows you how much effort they are put in. But that doesn't and that doesn't underestimate the people who has put efforts in lead code because that is good enough to crack companies. Uh, I it's not a good time to wear jerseys. I am, bro. Why do you need to do? Hmm, why do you need to do that? Like there is no need of doing code forces unless you want to go into companies like Rubrik. Expert is greater than guardian. Guardian is greater than specialist. No, I disagree with your comment, bro. Because expert is greater than guardian. I would not say it is greater. It's close enough. But yeah, we have the right to disagree. Yeah, coordination is something that you'll easily crack if you are spread at code forces. Emperor, good question. Correct. The chess grandmaster? I have no idea, bro. I am very bad at chess. So what is your rating on lead code? Because so you are probably specialist on lead code. So sorry, specialist on code forces, is it? Bro, you guys have done 87% on the poll and but still not good likes. Yeah, so you are guardian or what on lead code or you don't do lead code? Hey, hi Ashutosh bro, welcome. I am damn bro. I thought you are 1449 on lead code. Sorry, code forces, brother. Damn bro, I just read your message, brother. Uh, you are good at stand-up comedy, but he's in tier zero college. He's in tier zero. But bro, it was a good one, bro. I have to give you that. Requirement to get internship, DSA, bro. DSA, you have to be good with DSA. Or some web development internship you can get. Vikas, you are, bro, Manchester fan or what? You are new to the channel also, it looks like. City or Madrid? Bro, Barca. Barca, uh, then Madrid, then City, then Madrid, then United. This is the order I like the teams in. How do you usually prepare for, especially when the interview asks you to deep dive into the. Bro, in high level design, it is not expected to go to a deep dive, but all the resources that I have followed are there. So I've gone through this, and Hello Interview has a really good breakdown of different pieces. So you can learn that. Good one, Vikas. So, and then this is Grokings is also good. This is more in depth, but this is like paid. Hello Interview is also paid. Today I got a comment saying that I am promoting paid. No, but these two are free, right? Hello Interview also is free to some extent. This is also free to some extent, right? This is 500 rupees per month. So there is no, I'm not promoting anything. It just these are good, right? If something is good, I'm happy to share that. And you can get 10% discount if you use that on top of the already existing discount. But this course is pretty good. This has all the in-depth things in their course, like probably one of the best. Give me an example, then I'll explain you better. And this system design code Karla is also good. But this doesn't go in that depth that is missing in this one. That's why you need a paid. You need to spend 4 to 500 rupees. 10 years gone. Any team chill with. But what I've written, I've just written anything. Bro, I'm practicing some oops kind of Java. This is also getting popular nowadays. I've seen this coming in interviews. So file serve get top 10 files with prefix and is descending order of their size, right? So how I can do this is I will probably use a, so let's do a brute force way kind of file system. So brute force wave could be to just have a priority. It could be anything, bro. Java, DS, sorry, Java, Python, or C++. Any three, anyone from three. If I have to choose one, C++ or Java. Yeah, C++ or Java in that order. Experimental mode you can, bro. 10th maths, you need to probably do little bit more math. Lag is there. Cannot do anything about the lag. PP is better. then Java. I did not know that. That's why I code in Java. Sad. So, but let's just practice this, right? So I need to store now. It's a string and an integer, right? I have to create a pair. So the best way to let's just see, right? C++ cognition, bro. What happened? Brahmajur, no lag. Okay, okay, brother. Thank you. तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना. Yeah, bro, go ahead. SG. SG, 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 SG. Voice of Punjab. Brahmajot, bro, where are you from? It's like today, how's your job going? Let me type it out. How's your job going? How come, bro, there are 61 likes, 61 votes, 80% of 61 is 50? Is it mandatory to give round of working? Yeah, you can give that because DSA round is agnostic. It is very hectic. Bro, you are getting money, good money also, right? So getting good money is always hectic. I will be in Delhi in 10 days. Are you from Delhi? You are native of Delhi or what? Soumya P. That is the truth, bro. See, if anyone is wondering whether DSA is important or not, just read the comment. So DP can be learned from Aditya Verma's channel. I am scared for my word. What type of bro? See, bro, Keith is on me. Whatever prep you have done is already done. Right now, nothing is in your hand. Just have a nice sleep, and then tomorrow Leave it to tomorrow. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. It's Singapore time. Oh, you're native of Delhi. That's nice, bro. कोई आते कोई गया. Paradev, you can do it with Python, bro. That is also fine. There is no hard and fast rule. You can do it with Python. Python fast. Uh, what is? No, I was not speaking. Bro, I made a plan to prepare Amazon. Can I share? Yeah, yeah, sure, bro. Chandra, share it. But you should have already done something, bro. You are very fond of fans. You are very fond of. कोई आया तो कोई मुड़ गया. Yeah, this is good. FAFB. That's nice. That's working. Both of the things. Bro, rather than DP from where I can take you forward channel is good, bro. Take you channels is good. Paradev, Python with DSA. Python alone will not help you. Nitin Dayala, bro, you can book a session. Okay, this is a good question that I have to answer. But if you don't trust me, there is written advice from me. Simple as that, brother. You are, I think, a regular. I read your name earlier also. What kind of challenge, bro? I already did. Bharati, these are good, bro. Product manager roles are good. But you need MBA, generally speaking. Generally. You can go as a product manager. Thank you. But still, you, if anyone has any doubts, I'm happy to show you. No need to read book, bro. DSA morning, how much DSA in the morning? Where subscriber can participate, like collaborate. That's a good idea, but where to do that? Good idea, bro. So this is also good, right? So fix is good. So Chandra, bro, you need more time to DSA. For DSA, you need more time. There's no chain. Bro, I would say go with Golang. Golang is very much popular these days. Brahmajot, bro, I was thinking of all 9 1 door dark theme. There is a dark theme, bro. Like you can, yeah, yeah. And sorry for replying late, bro. Sorry for replying late. There is no need of poll. Is Go better? Both are good, Spring Boot and Go, but there is a huge learning curve in Spring Boot. Go is pretty straightforward. Learning curve in Spring Boot is more. No, there is just a leaderboard, right? Now, if you have solved a question, we will increase your. Yes, it is used, Paradev. It is used. Can I do? Bharat, you can do guns and roses. Bro, this file kind of problem I'm doing now, you have to put a TTL also with this file. So you'll have two constructors, or how many constructors you will have? Okay, you also have the timestamp that the file is uploaded at. If it is uploaded at 10 and its TTL is 100, right? So you also need. So file will be is alive if its TTL is equal to in T dash dot max value. That means that it doesn't have a TTL, or its timestamp plus TTL is greater than timestamp, right? Because the time is remaining. Otherwise, it is not alive, right? So now you can have couple of uploads, right? You can upload a file at a particular timestamp. This is first function, and then you can also do this is another function, right? Ashwini Kumar, bro, you have to start with DSA only, bro. But see, your query is little bit tough, so I am not able to answer that. In like you have already a 5 year gap, right? So that's why I'm not able to give you the best advice. See, I am also like 4 years into corporate. So if I would a hiring manager or whatnot, then I would be able to give you a better approach, right? Guns and roses, bro. See, bro, don't think like that. Your time is already over. So try to do what you can do today, right? Slowly, it's not like that today you'll become master on is Databricks. Databricks is like a Brahmajot. Databricks is a crazy high paying product based company. And also their work is also so exhaustive. I have read of it. I'm not sure, but yes, I have read of it. In my college, they just explain the logic. Yeah. Harshil Aran story of every college group. Bro, anything is good, like SG, uh, chat apps, web apps, Spectra, all are good. Majorly, they'll ask you DSA first, bro. I got an offer from two company. Congratulations. Bro, it depends on other factors also, DTRX. Your package is also a factor. Ping me on LinkedIn. Saraj Chandra, I replied to your question, bro, that you need to do more DSA. Bro, the only good resource that I feel telling you is this. Best way to solve unseen problem, right? So this is the only way. I'm replying to you, Guns and Roses. This is the way I personally like, and I have created a very detailed video on this. Like I can explain you in this live, but it is not worth it, like rushing through it, right? So that is why I have created this video. Just watch this one. You don't have to watch any other video because you're already in college. Other are most like for experienced folks. But don't give up, bro. Consistency is something that is completely in your hand. Or you can watch. This is the first thumbnail that I put my face on. Okay, let's stop this poll and ask a new poll. Rate the Nutanix video. L, yeah. That is good, bro. That plan is good. LLD, don't worry about that. You're just pass out, right? Bro, you cannot complete this. This has all the questions. This is not a list. This is just a rating. But yes, it will, you will become better. Start a poll. Rate the Nutanix video thumbnail from 1 to 10. 10 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Hey, hi, bro. I just created a rating to this thumbnail. I I spend more time creating the thumbnail. That's why thumbnail link. Guns and Roses, just watch that video, bro. 300 to 400 problems. Bro, one person has said that it is not good. 300 to 400 problems, at least. Oh, yeah, देखो, yeah. I'll have to create a new poll, brother. You can give zero. That's constructive feedback. But is it really zero, brother? Don't get zero. Then you are a good brother. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. YouTube by accident, you can do that. Even today, I was. The data engineer is already a very good role, right? So you can do that. You can do that. But only thing that might help you is you need to prepare DSA, right? So only caveat with you is that they might give you a like if let's say you are data engineer too, right? You might get a SD1, right? So but you can do that, bro. You I think are already good with data pipelines, SQL queries, and all of that, right? YouTuber by accident, I'm talking to you, bro. If you're here, your question is valid, and answer to that question is yes. Nandan P. Bro. Scrabble will do, bro. Once I complete this question, then we will do Scrabble. I don't want to. Kinda, I want to save this. Let me save this. See now in this file storage, I have to store file. So file, if this contains file, otherwise you will put file. So how would you take in a file, right? That is a good trick to have a different file. Brahmajot, bro. My day, I don't do anything other than work. But maybe someday I will create. I'm not saying as of now, right? Never say never. Ashutosh, bro, I'm solving a programming kind of a problem. You know, here I don't want to change this, right? So let's just create a new file here only. See, this is how you can handle it smartly, right? So file upload if files dot contains key file, this will remain the same. Really nice way of solving. Can anybody hear me? This is a very nice problem. Just want to make sure. कोई नहीं आते कौन